holidays. We have been since this time 24 hours ago. We're on the A77 heading down to Stranraer, and we spent last night in Troon, but we didn't film. I don't know what's going on with us, I think it's just been quite a crap past month. I think we just wanted the night to chilling. There wasn't any filming at all done. Not one bit.
This is actually just picking it up now, because we're thinking like this is absolutely stunning. We've never been here before, and the drive is beautiful.
Never ever been on this road before.
Although we drive us to the water right beside you. So we don't even know where we're really going today or anything there.
It's a real weird one, because Buffy's fine, but she still really isn't meant to be getting any exercise, so we can't go big long walks on the beach. We can't have her on the beach for too long, because we don't want any sand getting into her wound. We don't.
Just try to keep her calm. So we'd really just love to get somewhere where we could just sit with the doors open, her in the house chilling, you know what I mean, and just we're all sitting outside.
I'm a companion, I'll go anywhere you are. I ride my bike with you on the handlebars. Up the hill we go, 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 go. Down the road we go, 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 go. All around we go, 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 go. I'm alongside of you. In your neighborhood, we fly up high, up to where the air is good. Moving up we go, 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 go. Right around we go, 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 go. Looking down we low, 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 low. I'm alongside of you.
So here's where we're parked up. There's the van just there. There's the van just there, so we're just along from Bay of Luce, or Luce Bay. There's quite a few camper vans all parked up for the night. Not the best beach, but we don't really want a beachy beach anyway, do we? This is much better for Buffy. It's not sandy. Not as good for Xander, but
He's at them yesterday and this morning.
Yeah, so I think we're going to spend a couple of days here. I don't think travelling's too great for Buffy, so we'll rest. Not that you'd think it, look at her. Just happy being doing Buffy's things, aren't you?
I'm not going to get the metal detector out as it can.
We were going to get the metal detector out, but that MOD property thing is because this was where they used to set off and lit off bombs.
This is exactly the place we want to do it as well, isn't it?
Aye.
Here, no bother with that.
So I don't fancy finding a bomb.
No, and that's what I would find, isn't it?
100% that's what you'd
100%.
find.
Cause all commotion and everything.
Oh, we'll get this better, we'll research better. We don't factor into can we metal detect when we're looking at our long list of other shit that we need to factor in when we're looking for somewhere.
I just picked up exactly what you
Aye.
isn't it? I mean,
Nice
van
view.
there, dog here, van there.
Peaceful.
Nice view. And to top it all off, it's costing us nothing.
Aye, this is a free one by the way. I'll put it up part for night, or maybe I'll know. I shouldn't have the camera, the memory card for. What's it away?
What?
Oh, I think I just got a big jump there. Right, Buffy stay. Xander's found a stick.
You want me to do something that for you? I don't think so. I don't think so.
Buffy, what you doing?
Take it down there. Take it back down.
dolphins might still be there, so we're out watching the dolphins. Are they still there? Oh aye, they're coming in shallow. Aye.
Must be something separate. There's definitely something there jumping.
Uh-huh.
And there's definitely something there jumping from there. But yeah, distance away, they're never usually that far back.
I'm a jean jacket, wear me anytime you want. I'll fit you right when you wanna put me on. Up and down we go, 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 go. All around we go, 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 go. I could follow, lo, 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 alongside of you. It's a good day, I'm sticking to you. I'm happy to be on the way alongside of you. I'll be along the way alongside of you. It's a good day. Along the way alongside of you. It's a good day. Along the way alongside of you. It's a good day.
I don't know where he's going to get pure ratty. Right, come on, let's go. Leave it. That's it. Aye. It's a fucking rock. Right, move. Come on. I hate the keys. Here I'm coming. Go, run, run, run. You'll not be able to see it, but Buffy is watching us out the window. What are you doing? Sun just about to set over that hill. It'll be nice. You see her? You see Surgery Susan hanging out the window. There she is. Are you waiting on us, Buffy? Are you waiting? Are you making sense? Right, that is in. So, this is how today's going. It is absolutely roasting.
We moaned and moaned and moaned for heat and we got
Aye,
it.
we haven't half got it, man. I don't know what's happened. So, we're all in the van with the back doors opened, the fans going, all the windows open, trying to keep these dogs cool.
And to be fair, their noses are still wet.
Aye, they're not bad, they're just panting because they need to pant, but we should be going home today, but it's too nice. It's absolutely beautiful out there. So we're staying another day. We have no food though, we've run out of food because we weren't planning on being here, so Sharon's going to have to walk to the pub and get a takeaway, which that works out alright, as long as the pub isn't as far. Well, it's saying only a mile.
In 20 minutes.
As long as Google isn't lying to us, then we're fine. And the van is full of flies and we never filmed it last night. But we literally took the dogs out for a pee. We came back in and we were really quick with the doors. It wasn't like we left them open for any length of time. And I swear to God, there was swarms. There must have been thousands in the van, eh? Like, we were covered in them as we're trying to get them. They were all covered. Every light was covered in them. The telly was covered in them.
All shapes and sizes.
We were trying to kill them. They're landing on us. I had them in my hair and my ears. I was eating them when we were trying to get them.
And we never filmed any it.
Never filmed any of it, but it was like, oh my God, we're going to have to drive home. Baby wipes are your new best friend in this situation. Baby wipes and lights. Put all the lights on and just kill them off the lights when they land. The van was nearly getting set on fire last night. That'd have been the easiest way to deal with them. She's seen me filming. Let me get you out better for here. Remember, you've just had surgery. This is the life. One dog, two dogs, and a Sharon.
It's chilled out, isn't it?
Yep. Just what we've been needing. I feel that's always just what we're needing though, innit? You need to sort their lives out and calm them down a bit. We could really take her suit off her, but she likes it.
I'll keep her protected.
Right.
It's working.
Probably the only dog in the world that the vets had no issue putting this on. Oh, we're really struggling to go home, guys. We should be going home and we don't want to.
We should have been home yesterday.
We should have been home yesterday, we didn't go. Rearranged Buffy's vet visit and everything.
So we're heading home, eh?
Yep, heading home. That was a really nice, just chilled out week. Not much content for you, but just what we needed. Buffy needs to recuperate. Let's go somewhere nice and there.
Boy, did we find it.
I found our new favourite spot. I think we're planning on coming back there in November, aren't we?
Yeah.
So that's it. We've still got Galloway and everything. We've got all the
We've still got the half the coast to do, I think, as well.
So we're going to come and do the Southwest 300. Is that what we're doing?
Yep.
Southwest 300 and Galloway Forest for the night skies.
So we're just heading home. We're Kieran Ryan and the ferry ports will be coming up in a wee second.
Oh, Sharon loves her boats.
Yep. That's the one thing, but I've never seen a boat the whole time I was there. I don't get it. Pinot. It's coming in, I think, isn't it? That's Pinot one, and just up a bit is the Stena Line ferry port. This is a big goods one, isn't it? It's hardly in it now, but there was loads in it yesterday when we came. They've got two docking, they've got an up and a down. See that? We're coming in now. Oh wow. Much nicer than it. Oh, I'm going to stay in the line boat.
Do you?
Very nice.
I need to look up to see if there's one of the boats but they make you muzzle the ducks.
Is it?
Well, there's definitely one going to France, one to Europe, they need to be muzzled.
Oh, we're not be doing that then.
And I saw somebody, I'm sure it was somebody going to Ireland and they had to keep their bag in a carrier as well.
Right, we'll get back to Venice.
It was Field Adventures, they had to keep moving and it's a pet carrier on the ferry. So, we'll not be going to Ireland if we need to muzzle the dogs.
Oh, we might just have to go ourselves.